guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, I got a great topic to go over. What every beardsman goes through, that feeling of what is the perfect length beard for you. Now, I know you're thinking, Scott, beards can be any length and still look good, right? Well, oh yeah, that, right? Well, for you guys that don't know, I did a little video about Manscaped. And there's something that I wanted to tell you guys that it's all about. It's companies like Live Bearded that I love so much that support me. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much for leaving me awesome comments and just, reimbursing my thoughts and my processes of how that went down. So now that I'm on this beard high, let's get into today's topic of the perfect length beard. Now, I started my beard journey in August, okay? I always do a video about when is the time to start growing out your beard and your mustache for November, because that is prime time when the mustache and beard game needs to be on point. That way, when we're running into the beginning of the month, we're not starting in the beginning of the game. We are already there, we're in full swing. That way, all the other guys out there have motivation to look forward to that what their beard can look like and all in its glory. So like I said, I started in July, August, and that gave me 3 months. Right in that November 1st, we've got that great looking beard and mustache for that month of Movember, or Mustache November. And that's when the topic comes up, what is the perfect length of mustache and beard? So I'm going to break a couple things down for you to get that exact and perfect length that you want. Now the first one is going to be your face shape. We really want our beard and our face to be very cohesive in look. We don't want to have a very scraggly beard with a very nice fine shaped haircut. We want everything to look prim and proper. So the face shape, what we want to shape our beard, that is going to be a big key role. Now that's going to be the first on the list. Now second on the list is going to be how you're going to be cutting, styling, and shaping your beard and your hair. So we want that also to complement each other. So when it comes to your beard length, for me as an example, I'm getting to that point where I'm gonna be needing a major trim all the way around on my hair and my beard right now as well, because now I'm able to trim up my beard and my neck because both my neckline and my beard are meeting each other. And that's right now what I call beard glory. And this is at the time where you have about a month or two or more, as long as we're keeping everything cleaned up as well, that's going to be your A game length. So that's going to be a big important part of the beard game, is definitely keeping everything cohesive, just like in the face shape, style as well. Now, that being the second on the list, the last thing that I think is the most important when knowing when you're at peak beard performance and length is actually blending. When your soul patch, your mustache, your sideburns, everything is blending into each other, and we have a great, everything's very even around the beard and the mustache. You are in that peak beard length. Blending is a major part of the beard game. When we have this big, thick, meaty mustache, this big, thick soul patch, when we have that stiff look going on with the look, everything's blending in together, and we're having that model-esque type feel to it. So when we're out in public, people are observing and noticing that we've got a great look on the beard, everything's looking nice, everything's fitting with each other. People notice that. And that's where you get your compliments, you get that status level. People really notice when you're really taking care of that beard, noticing that that beard is in full swing and that length is in optimal position. So those are 3 great tips for you guys to really think about your beard length when it comes to beard season, especially when it comes to the mustache, the soul patch, the hair growth. That's the main purpose of this channel, is not only to have beard products like Live Bearded that support me, but it's also to show that we can really take care of our beards. Nothing too invasive where we're going too far. So for you naysayers out there that don't really like to put in much effort to your beard, saying, hey guys, you don't need to be spending 5 or 10 minutes on the beard, but think about when you're taking your shower, you're getting ready, you're going to the bathroom, why are you spending that 5 or 10 minutes to get cleaned? It's the same as your beard and your mustache. If you want to have a great look to your look, you need to spend a little bit of time on it. So that being said, I want Live Bearded to know that I love them so much. So I got their beard butter from Live Bearded. I'm actually going to be putting this down in their link with their promo code, and we'll get you guys some savings on there. But this is their executive best beard butter right now on the market. So we'll just go ahead and work this into the beard, because I know right now I'm in full beard glory. The mustache is epic, the beard is epic. And for me, when I know I'm in full beard swing is when I'm able to roll out my beard and I can go back from under and flex it out. Flexing the beard is my thing, man. Just like flexing the muscles, you gotta flex the beard, all right? Well, you guys, I really appreciate you guys coming along. Love my affiliates. Love everybody out there who supports this channel. So I go, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Make sure to hit that notification button. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!